Hey everybody, it's Jacob, and today I want to talk about how we grew our business 193% this month in 2019 versus this month in 2018. All right, guys, everybody knows that I'm really big about wanting to grow a business, grow a company, create more opportunity because the company is growing. And the biggest thing that we have done that has made a huge difference is the investment in advertising. You know, we attack advertising from every angle, whether it be donations, sponsoring teams, newspaper, website, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and it is paid tenfold. I hear a lot of people talk about how Facebook doesn't work for their business, their industry, whatever the case. What we have noticed now is Facebook was kind of a long game because it was a branding effort at first, where people were just seeing us, getting the recognition of our name, and then within a year of investing into it, maybe a year and a half, now Facebook creates as many leads as Google AdWords and our website combined. It's amazing. So, you know, with all of this, it has just been the massive inflow that it's created, and that continual marketing. What it has created is plentiful leads that allow us to go out, sell new customers, do new work, and expand the business. So basically, that's it. That's the shortcut. Marketing and marketing and marketing. You know, everybody's looking for an ROI on marketing. They're trying to track their cost per acquisition and how much it costs down to the penny. And a lot of this, you know, as all of these things are starting to happen, you know, Facebook, I know we broke even on probably for a long time. And, you know, but we kept pushing into it, kept leaning into it. And it's the snowball effect of you making investments in the marketing, kind of like investments in the saving account that eventually, or investments in general, that eventually the interest will pay you, you know, enough to live off of. But it takes a long time and a lot of continued efforts doing that. So that's what Facebook and all the ads have done. You know, we have a grand opening at our new shop on May 25th. All these little things to gain attention, get our name better known, have more people see us, and then as it just continues to snowball. As you do more work and more work, then more trucks with your logos are getting seen everywhere, and then in turn you continue getting more work. So we don't attack it from one angle, we attack it from every angle. It has been amazing for us. I know that this spring has been the craziest it's ever been. There are 3 of us working on estimates at a breakneck speed, trying to complete everything, and it's continuously getting better and better and better. I'm getting to see Melanie, who's a rock star, this is her desk over here, in the office, start to sell bigger and bigger jobs and be able to start getting commission on those projects. A commission, something we've started in the office to kind of incentivize everybody, and it's just really great to see the company grow, the opportunities grow, and what marketing has done for the company and what marketing has allowed us to obtain and be. So everybody involved, I'm super impressed with it. I'm super happy with the team, and marketing has made the dream start to come true. We're going to continue pushing. I wish you luck in 2019, guys. Invest in marketing.